Hello dear learners. So we are here once again with a new topic, and today we will tell you the summary of the chapter, The Midnight Visitor. It's a very romantic and we can say very thrill story. And in this story we have secret agent. His name Ozable. Ozable was a secret agent, and he was too fat, he was too obese to be considered, to be believed an agent. He was not looking like an agent. He was too obese. Fowler, actually he was a reporter. He came to meet Ozable, and Fowler did not believe that, and he was surprised that Ozable was an agent. He was not looking like an agent. So Fowler surprised to see him as an agent. He was too fatty. Fowler, he reached Ozable's room, and they both reached, Ozable and Fowler reached to the room of Ozable. There they wanted to get important document regarding missile, and they surprised, there was already a person, Max. He entered using a pass key, a second duplicate key of Ozable's room, and he was already inside that room, holding a pistol in his hand, holding a gun in his hand. And he was thin and tall man, and they were surprised to see Max. Ozable and Fowler, they entered in the room and they found that someone was standing already. So they were surprised. And now Ozable, looking that danger, he did not surprise. He fabricated a story, created a story about non-existence of balcony. There was no balcony at all of that building. Yet he created in such a manner. Ozable told the story that this balcony created a great trouble for me and for my life. Actually, due to this balcony, somebody entered in my room without my presence, twice in my room. And that's why I want security, that's why I want protection from police. So police also was coming. And in this manner, Max, who was there holding a gun and standing in the room, he thought it was true that it had a balcony. This building had a balcony. And after some time, the door, there was a knocking on the door, and Ozable told that, yes, I was talking about police for my protection. So police actually standing in front of my room and they are knocking. So now Max had no other way to run and go or move out of the house, of that room. So he jumped out of the window. He considered that there was somewhere a balcony, but there was no such balcony. It was created balcony. There was no existence of balcony. And as Max jumped out of the window, he was dead. He was fallen and dead. So in this manner, he was quick. Ozable was quick and smart, and he created in such a manner, and as he jumped, then they opened the door and there was no police. There was a waiter who was standing in front of the house, in front of that door. So this is, we can say, in this story we have the intelligence and very quick or witty agent. So it's a story of a very intelligent agent who created in such a manner the story that readers surprised and appreciated his wisdom. So this is all about in this chapter. We will meet soon with new chapter. Till that, you take care and stay at your home and do take care of your health. Get immunity booster, and we can say do exercise to keep yourself fit. Thank you to appreciate us.